Your body is so right. Your body is so good. And I see your blueprint.
New Kingston is our location for this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host Chrissy, and it's another weekly journey through the latest in entertainment and lifestyle right here in Jamaica. The show begins right now.
MUGS, the Cooler Fete, was a huge success at Savannah Park recently. Of course, we had to be there to capture all the highlights. Let's check it out.
Every chick with an ocean smart there. And over there.
I need a rich bitch, not a G, mom. Baby, you in that hate shit, I can't get my brother told me, fuck up, nigga, I'm on this song. You just keep on real, you know what I do for sure. It's gonna start screwing up on it.
Baby, check me in my God, more than the medication on my
You know, Savannah is in Kingston and it has a nice vibes, you know, nice grass and everything, and it's closer to everyone, so that's why we moved to Savannah. You know, the girls are out, so I can't complain. I don't know, so I big up Ray and Nephew, isn't it? Ray and Nephew really sponsor and them do the thing proper.
But some love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. When you sit down, sit down, sit down, when you rock it.
Have a dance with me, baby. Take a break from work now. Why you tell me how you feel? For once, now your life just be real. Can't take when we scream and fall. This time if you smile.
It's time for our first break. Up next, it's DJ Laing D and a new video from Jahvillani and Konshens.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Nephew, our spirit